Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to teach you how to put ringtone on your iPhone for free. So let me just show you that I'm not having the ringtone which I'm going to put on this iPhone, that is Yar Bailey. So ringtones which I am having are only these, and I'm going to add this ringtone Yar Bailey. Okay, so that's a pretty simple process to do. So just a second, let's just play the audio. So the first thing which you need to do is to just connect your iPhone to your MacBook or Windows PC, laptop, whatever. The trick is basically same for all the devices, whether Windows or Mac. Okay, so I've connected my device. So let's just start syncing data over the MacBook. Okay, so to do this, you just need to go over here, then just select your device, go to iTunes, then select the actually syncing is on, go to, so basically what you need to do is just go to tones, then drag and drop the tone whichever you want to add. For example, I just want to add this tone on my iDevice. Okay, so let me just rename this to a good name, that's Yar Bailey. Okay, hope that's possible. Now that's not possible. So okay, so now let's just check that has the iPhone got the ringtone or not. Just go to sounds, ringtone. Okay, as you all can see that in the iPhone also now the ringtone has came. So that's a very simple process. So what you need to keep in mind is that the tune which you are adding, it needs to be below 30 seconds and in the format M4R. So that's up for this video. Thanks, peace out.